What's up, guys? So right now I'm riding my bike over to Beatty Park, riding the land shark. Whew, a lot of breath. It's been a hot minute since I made a flying video, and I got the 210. This is gonna be a really cool video. Wow, I actually can't even understand you. Breathing so heavy. So right now I'm on my way to Beatty Park, meeting up with Justin. We're gonna do a little flying. I got my BQE 210 back there. It's gonna be rad. I don't think I made a flying video in forever. Wow, you're real flying 90. Don't even live up to your name. Cool bot grinder tattoo. You don't even fly drones, poser. I'm riding the land shark all fixed gear right now. So it's gonna be awesome.
Two hours later.
Woo! I think this should be a fun spot to fly. A lot of trees, big open area. No one really comes here, so just waiting on Justin. All right, plot twist, I'm over here now. There's a bunch of kids over there, so I kind of just want to stay away from them a little bit. And yeah, now I'm here. So, and I believe Justin just drove in. We're over here! What's up, dude? Good to see you.
Gotta support the crew.
Oh, nice. That's a cool sticker.
I found it on the ground the other day.
Probably next to a face mask, huh?
Yeah, it was had a bunch of red hairs on it.
Yeah. Let's see if I can still remember how to fly these things. Thanks for watching if you did. I didn't really fly too much because 3 of my batteries are charged. 2 of them are dead. That's just the way it goes. But yeah, I'm super stoked on flying again. Can't wait to go back tomorrow, full batteries. And yeah, thanks for watching. Later.